Hey guys, Ethan Rocky with Coffee or Die magazine. We're out here on Camp Pendleton's Edson range, which is the field training area for all recruits who come through Marine Corps Crucible San Diego. They come up here for about 4 weeks of field training. Today we're out here on the second day of the Crucible.
The Crucible is essentially the culminating event for recruit training for all the recruits involved. It's about 54 hours. They do a lot of physical activity on little sleep. It's a big mental and physical test. It tests everything they've learned thus far.
Get up right now!
Right now they're stressed because they're tired and a lot of them aren't thinking straight, but the drill instructor is there, one, to stress them out, but at the same time they're also there to offer kind of direction. At this point, they're definitely lacking sleep, and in some situations they do need direction.
They definitely have been going through some rigorous physical activity, and some of them have really had to push through some mental strain, I would say.
So you guys have been up for like more than 24 hours now, right? Doing this?
Yeah.
Are you feeling pretty tired or?
Yes, ma'am. But we thank God for the coffee.
What about you? How are you feeling?
I feel exhausted. I've never done this much physical activity in my entire life.
You never think it's gonna end, like for real, because when you walk that long and you've been up that long, it's like nothing's gonna end.
Today has been a lot of fun to watch these recruits kind of dig deep. Some of them have really had to earn it, and have had a rough go physically and mentally. So tomorrow we'll be going on the final hike up the infamous Reaper with them, and it should be a good time.